Do you want to create your next NFT wherever you are and whenever you want, only using your phone? Then check out this video. Hi, my name is Alex, and one of the most asked questions under my last videos was if there are any other ways to create NFTs if you don't have Photoshop or Illustrator or Blender. And of course, there are many ways to create NFTs because pretty much anything can be an NFT. Even if you just take a photo with your phone, if you upload this photo to the blockchain, it basically becomes an NFT. But of course, you want to create something more special. That's why I've checked out some apps and programs for your phone or tablet so you can start creating today. But you know what the best creation ever is? The way the like button on this video changes colors when you hit it. So hit the like button on this video for the YouTube algorithm to help me and my channel out. Thank you. Okay, so as I've said, you're not really tied to any app to create NFTs, but there are some apps that allow you to create NFT art inside of them and also give you the ability to upload them directly from the app. So then you don't have to save it to your phone, transfer it to your computer, and then upload it later somewhere else. When you're done, you just hit upload and you're good to go. So let's jump into 5 apps and programs and look at their pros and cons. Number 1, NFT Art. This app is very simple. You can start using the app completely free, but of course they try to upsell you as fast as possible. But at least you can play around with it first and see how you like it. You're basically just selecting different backgrounds, icons, graphics, and stack them, and then maybe get something that looks cool. Afterwards, you can export the file and upload wherever you want. It's not the best app, but it's not bad to understand the different layers and assets NFTs can have. Number 2, NFT Creator. It's pretty much the exact same idea, but with less to choose. The layout is extremely simple and intuitive, so if you've never worked on graphic designs, and especially not NFTs, this app might be a good start for you. I really don't like how limited everything is, but I'm sure I could somehow buy my way to more stuff, but I definitely would not recommend doing that. Learn the basics, understand what looks good and what doesn't, and then just move to a bigger program that gives you more possibilities to work in. Of course, all the links to the apps and programs I talk about are in the description under this video, so check the description out. Number 3, Procreate. Let's throw in every artist's favorite program for the iPad and the reason thousands of artists bought an iPad only to use this program. Now, I don't draw much myself, but if you love drawing and you're not the worst at it, that might be the perfect app for you. It allows you to work with different layers and has endless possibilities to create art. This app is the exact opposite of the other ones though. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll probably be completely lost when you try the app for the first time. But that shouldn't scare you away and never use it. The Procreate community is huge, and there are countless tutorials on YouTube to learn every single step in this program. There are even step-by-step tutorials to create your first NFT inside of Procreate. So if you are an artist or you like to become one, be sure to check out Procreate for your iPad. Oh, before I forget it though, this program works best with the newer iPads that support the Apple Pen. So of course you should also get the Apple Pen or something decent that's kind of like the Apple Pen if you don't have one already. But after that, you're good to go. Number 4, NFT Creator. This one is pretty interesting because it gives you the ability to create easy pixel art directly inside of the app. For that, you could either work on a blank canvas and start from scratch, or you choose an existing photo from your camera roll and apply a pixel filter to it. After you're done, you can directly upload your NFT and start minting it. If you already made an NFT somewhere else, you can also upload it over this app. If you love the CryptoPunks or you still live in an 8-bit world, this app might be the perfect fit for you. Number 5, and this one is by far my favorite one, any other app. Okay, what is that supposed to mean? So if you have an idea, a vision, a project that has some great art, or even better, a great use attached to the NFT, just go onto any app or program and create something that you love and that you think people will love. Especially now that the NFT market is so incredibly flooded with 99.9% of all NFT projects being absolutely useless. It's important to think a bit further, and you either take the moment to capitalize your artistic talent and show the world your drawings, graphics, songs, videos, or whatever, or you come up with something that solves a problem, or create something that will be amazing in the metaverse in a couple of years. Now's the time to come up with ideas that carve our future. I know it sounds kind of cheesy, I know, but never was it more possible to come up with something that millions, if not billions of people around the planet could use. It's never been easier to make money from anywhere in the world, and it's never been easier to do whatever you want to do. Do you have any other apps or programs that you love that I should check out? Let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to check them out. If you want to learn how to create 3D NFTs in just 3 minutes on your computer, check out this video up here where I explain it to you step by step. And if you want to learn what the metaverse actually is and how to make money in there, check out this video down here where I explain it to you. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to have the chance to win 1 Ethereum as soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel. We're already halfway there, so keep on crushing it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Alex. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you next Wednesday.